Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville Barista Touch Espresso machine. Now for this machine, we had to replace the water pump and the flow meter, since the machine was definitely not distributing any water through the group head, steam one, or any part. The machine will just beep for a couple of seconds and it will just go back to standby. And it was because the flow meter was not detecting any water coming out from the water pump. And once we replaced the water pump, the flow meter was definitely not spinning as well. So we had to replace both of them. So right now, starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing this machine out, and then we're gonna be using the steam. Now we do not get to see a lot of the display as the brightness of the display is pretty bright, and the camera does not really detect it. But let's see, you can kind of see the display is working and it's on the brew mode. Now we're gonna wait for the hot plate to get up to temperature, and once it does, the machine will start pushing water through the entire system from the water tank all the way into the hot plate and then into the portafilter, which will start pressurizing and it will start extracting the coffee. Now we see that it's pouring a little bit fast, and that's because the coffee that we have in here in this hopper is pretty old. I'm gonna manually stop it right here. And as you can see, we still got a little bit of crema, but like I say, the coffee that we are using is pretty old. It's gonna do pre-infusion for at least 3, 4, 5 seconds. Once it does, it's gonna do the extraction. And what we're doing right now is just testing the flow of the group head. As you can see, it's a nice gentle shower coming out from the group head itself, and it's working the way it's supposed to. Gonna manually stop it right now, and then we're gonna be using the steamer. Again, the machine needs to get that hot plate over here up to temperature. Once it does, the steamer will start producing steam, just like so. This is an automatic product. There is a temperature sensor on the back of it. So it will not stop until I basically do this. And as you can see, the steamer stopped. And now it's going to do is automatic auto cleaning. Pouring a little bit of water and purging itself. And there you have it. Breville Barista Touch working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.